Genocide is a grave and abhorrent crime that involves the deliberate and systematic extermination of a specific racial, ethnic, religious, or national group. It is a term coined in the 20th century to describe the most extreme form of violence and mass murder against a particular community or population. Genocide goes far beyond sporadic acts of violence. It represents a calculated effort to annihilate a group based on its perceived identity. Genocidal actions can take many forms, including mass killings, forced deportations, sterilizations, and other acts aimed at destroying the targeted group's culture, heritage, and existence. Genocides are often perpetrated by governments or powerful entities with significant resources and control over the population. These atrocities can occur during times of war or peace, and they are characterized by meticulous planning and the involvement of state machinery. The term genocide was first defined in legal terms by the United Nations in the 1948 Convention on the Prevention and Punishment of the Crime of Genocide. According to this convention, genocide includes acts such as killing members of the group, causing serious bodily or mental harm, deliberately inflicting conditions leading to the group's physical destruction, imposing measures to prevent births within the group, and forcibly transferring children from the targeted group to another group. One of the most infamous examples of genocide is the Holocaust, orchestrated by Nazi Germany during World War II. The Holocaust resulted in the systematic murder of approximately 6 million Jews, along with the persecution and killing of millions of other minority groups, including Romani people, disabled individuals, and political dissidents. This horrific event served as a catalyst for the international community to recognize the need for a legal framework to prevent and punish genocide. Genocide often has deep-rooted causes, including ethnic tensions, political power struggles, and the dehumanization of the targeted group. Propaganda and hate speech are commonly used as tools to justify and incite violence against the victimized population. These campaigns aim to create a climate of fear and hatred that allows the perpetrators to carry out their genocidal acts with impunity. Preventing genocide requires international cooperation, early detection of warning signs, and decisive action to stop the violence before it escalates. Genocides often unfold gradually, and there are typically indicators such as hate speech, discrimination, and mass displacement of populations that can serve as early warning signs. Efforts to bring perpetrators of genocide to justice have led to the establishment of international tribunals, such as the International Criminal Court, ICC, which can prosecute individuals responsible for genocide and other crimes against humanity. In conclusion, genocide is a heinous crime that represents the darkest depths of human cruelty. It involves the systematic destruction of a specific group based on their identity and has led to some of the most horrifying atrocities in human history. Efforts to prevent and punish genocide require international cooperation, vigilance, and a commitment to upholding the principles of justice and human rights.